Comfort Windows and Doors is the one company that makes bathroom dreams come true. We design it, we install it in as little as 1 day. Comfort bathrooms are affordable and maintenance-free, built to last with exclusive high-tech polymer technology and endless design options. There's only one home improvement company in upstate New York to have won 5 Better Business Bureau Torch Awards for ethics. Only one with bath and shower systems backed by the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. Only one you should trust with your bath remodel.
Our promise is to give people the bathroom of their dreams that is maintenance-free, affordable, without a messy installation.
The Great Comfort Give Back continues, bringing big State Fair savings to you with 25% off all projects, plus great give back financing options. All from the name you know, the people you trust. Visit comfortwindows.com to schedule your free estimate today.